Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in my last video I went over my roadies here, aka Frenzy and Rumble, and I went over the articulation and transformation and whatnot of these two guys, and I mentioned briefly that I'm also working on Beastbox here. He's going to transform into a large center drum, and I have all the prototype parts pretty much printed out, and I just have to test fit and see how everything goes together with him. But that is not the purpose of this video. This video is to go over another figure. I came up with a concept model for, and I actually finished, even though I started Beastbox first, I actually finished my prototype for this guy. And this guy is Slugfest, and he transforms into a double neck guitar. Now I got some loose tabs here in the back. This is just a prototype, but this is Slugfest in his double neck guitar mode. There's the front, there's the back, and I would like to go over Slugfest in this video and his transformation. Just keep in mind, I have tabs for these, but they're loose, and those will be corrected come the final version of this guy before I put him on CG Trader. So let's take a look at how we transform him, and some of his limited articulation. So if we get these little legs out of the way here, and these ankles rotate, and we can flip the neck pieces around, get these out of the way, flip the neck piece around like that, and then before we flip everything over, these tail pieces, they tab, slot there, untab, rotate this, bring it down, untab, rotate this, bring it down, and then we collapse all this. There's a tab here, and a slot, and a tab here and a slot. So tap that together, tap that together. Then we can bring his feet down, fold that out, bring his foot down. His tail just sits here. There's no tabs that go into, so his tail can move a little bit. Now, bring this foot down, rotate that ankle out, bring this foot down, rotate that ankle out. And there we have my concept design of a Transformers Animated Slugfest. You can fit right in the band here with the roadies. Look at some of the details here. And his legs are all on ball joints. There's limited articulation, but they are on a ball joint. And he does have an ankle rocker here as well, so he can get a little bit of a stance going. That, and both sides are symmetrical to one another, except for the spikes, they're offset. And everything on this build is quite simple. It's just pins, and I'm using just a large paper clip that I'm chopping up here. These extra large paper clips. I'm just chopping and fitting, and then applying a little bit of glue to the ends so that they don't come out. But yeah, these holes are designed for a 1mm diameter pin, and everything is just pins on this, pins and glue. And again, he's got a ball joint here that pops into a socket for each of his legs. And he fit right in with these guys. So again, that's my take on a Transformers Animated Slugfest, who transforms into a double neck guitar. And you can paint him or print him in whatever color scheme you like. Thanks for watching.